super stoked about this. So we're going to recreate some t-shirt designs 100%, not really 100%. Yeah, the images 100% through GROK, but the prompt you're going to use another platform. So these are the images. We have this one. There's the first one. And this is the second one I want us to recreate. This is the third one, Halloween themed. And finally, this one. So all of them are a bit complex in their own different ways. And we're going to push and see whether or not GROK can deliver all this. So before we start designing, first things first, head over to tmhunt.com to make sure that you've done your clothing trademark check so that you don't recreate or create something that someone has already trademarked. So I've already done the checking for all this, and I think we are good to go. So first things first, we're going to head to Gemini, Google Gemini to get the prompt. I love Gemini because it allows you to upload images, and then you can get prompts on how to recreate the images. At the moment, version 2.0 on GROK doesn't allow you to upload any images. So we're going to do that on Gemini. So gemini.google.com. So let's first start with the Jesus Christ design. So just simply tell Gemini, give me a detailed prompt to recreate this t-shirt design on GROK's image creator, image AI, image generator. Yes, generator. So let's see. Give me a detailed prompt to create this t-shirt design on GROK. So let's see what Gemini has. Gemini has us covered. It's given us this. So I'm not editing anything. I'm just copy pasting directly to GROK to see what GROK has. Let's see. Just seconds. Imagine. Let's see what GROK has. Oh, okay. I think we're somewhere there. Where are we? Where is this design? Is okay. Let me just pull it closer here. So yes, we're somewhere there. The elements are there. I see the text. It's gotten the spelling properly. That's one good thing, but I really do not like it yet. Let's see if we can spin it again. But I'm really impressed. It's getting the text properly. It's crazy. It's impressive. It's really impressive. Whoa, makes life much easier. Oh, look at that fiery Jesus. Oh, okay. I don't know what's going on here. I really do not understand. But look at this fire. Oh my God, look at this. It looks amazing. This might just work. Let me see if I can save this on my desktop. Save image as flying Jesus. Yes, save that on the desktop. So let's see if we can come here and generate again. If it can give me something better. I love that one. I love it. Let me see. I think the more you spin with AI, the better it becomes. I really do not like this one. I do not like it. Let's spin it again and see. This is very fast. It's faster than actually creating this. Look at the text. Look at the detail. I don't even know which one to love more. Let me see this one. The one that we made. It's on my desktop. Let me see. Oh, I do not know which one to love more. I do not know. So that's the first t-shirt design made, and you can easily take this on Canva and remove the background and just do whatever you want to do with it. So that's one down. He's risen. I think I love the generations. Let me see. Can we make it better? If it's gonna accept that prompt, I'm not sure. Is it gonna create it? I'm not sure. What is Gemini doing? He's updated description of more refined t-shirt designs. No, Gemini is. I think no. GROK is flipping. GROK is flipping now. I think it's flipping. I don't even make it better. It's flipping, but now make the design. Don't just explain. Let's see. Now make the design better. Don't just explain. Let me see if it can actually do it. Oh. Is it designing? It is. Ah. But I don't feel this one. It's like there's a hand coming out. I don't know what's happening here. It's like what is this hand doing here? It's like a hand, and then we have Jesus' hands are not complete. It's a bit glitchy, but I like the first. I like this one. I like the one that we actually made initially. I think I like that one. Let's go back. Let's go and recreate. So give me the prompt. So that's the first prompt done. Let's see the second t-shirt. This one we can get this funny one. Let's just tell Gemini, give me the same. Give me the prompt for this one. Is it going to pick it up? Let's see. Yes. Did it? No. Did the same thing. No, did the same thing. So I think we just need to get a new chat. So upload it again, second t-shirt, and just say, give me a detailed prompt to recreate this design, this t-shirt design on GROK's image generator. Let's see. Oh, I would be impressed if he actually gets this one right. I would really be impressed. Absolutely. Let's see. Copy. I'm not changing anything. Let us see if GROK is up to the challenge. Let us see, including the text. I am crossing my fingers. I do. Look at that. Look at that. Wait, we were done with this. Where's this one? Where is this one? Look at that. Look at that. It actually got the tissue smiling and walking. Look at that. Look. Come on. Okay, let me spin it again and see what's it going to do. Yeah. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I am. Do you know how much time this saves you as a print-on-demand designer? Anything you see that can inspire you can be created using GROK. This is crazy. This is insane. I think it's even better than Canva's own AI. Is GROK sleeping now? Let me copy this again. I think it's sleeping. I don't know what's happening. GROK. Okay, let's give it again. You've reached image generation usage limit for now. Please check back later or upgrade to Premium Plus. So now continue generating images. I think I've hit my limit. I can't generate more, but you've seen what. GROK, come on, GROK, come on. Can I refresh you and then you accept GROK? Can I? I do not know. Yeah. Let us see. Can I can't play GROK. I really can't. I really can't. But I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed by how GROK is handling this, creating AI images just from basic a simple prompt from Google Gemini. That is very. I don't think it's actually gonna accept. Yeah, but it's easy. I really wanted to create all those, but it really can't. But I'm really convinced it can. So try it out for yourself. Tell me in the comment section below if you tried out, and yeah, tell me. I asked GROK about selling t-shirts generated. Let's see. Can I sell t-shirts that I have designed using GROK? A simple yes or no answer, please. I want so much stories from you. I do not. Can I sell? Yes, can I sell t-shirt that I've designed using GROK? A simple yes or no answer. Yes, you can actually make these designs and sell. That is more important to know. I know they're still limited. I can't generate the t-shirt yet. I think I've hit the limit. I don't know, maybe check out tomorrow. But yeah, that is how to create t-shirt designs using GROK. So if you see anything that you love that is not actually trademarked, you can make your own version using GROK and sell it and make money on print with print on demand. It's crazy. Oh, yeah. Crazy. What a time to be alive. And the craziest thing is that this is the worst this technology is actually going to be. This is the worst this technology is going to be. So tell me what you think on the comment section below. My good name is XT and Della. Thank you very much for the privilege of your time. If you're new to print on demand, want to learn more, check out my pinned comment below to get to my live free webinar. Yeah, tell me what you think. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Thank you very much for joining today's lesson. Thank you for the privilege of your time. See you on the next one.